Do you need the B2 level in English and you don't know how to prepare for it? Many jobs, Erasmus exchanges, grants and masters require B2 or above.
You don't have much time? You need flexibility? Well, we have the solution.
B2 or not B2? That is the question.
A course that prepares you to certified B2. Innovative, dynamic, and flexible. Based on the concept of the flipped classroom, combining the best elements of learning in and out of class.
Before class, study the unit contents at home, 2 to 3 hours every week. In class, put the language into practice and work on skills. You can choose when to come to class. After class, consolidate and prepare for the next unit.
Face-to-face contact and feedback from your teachers.
We have the course you need. Do you want more information? You can find us at... And remember, B2 or not B2? That is the question.